It is April 28th of 2021, and we're at the Beard Parking Garage on the USF Tampa campus in Tampa, Florida. This is going to be a special video because it is the last elevator video I'm going to film with my Samsung Galaxy S9. I'm getting it traded in tomorrow. So let's go to 8. And here we are at the top. Let's go back down to 1. These are Kone elevators, and they're not in the best of shape, as you can tell by all those dents, but they still run. So these are installed in 2008, which means they're 13 years old. They're your fixtures. Your certificate expires in 2021. Indicator doesn't work. Let's send this one up and ride the other one. Let's go at 8. Watch the view. The sun is kind of bright. Let's just get a little view out onto USF's campus. And now, let's go back down. Again, this is the last elevator ride filmed on my Samsung Galaxy S9. I've had this phone for 3 years and filmed most of my videos on it. But now, I'm about to get an upgrade. You'll see what comes next. Also, the indicator actually works on this one. There's your inspection certificate. There are your fixtures. Alright, with that being said, that'll be it.